In the bustling streets of ancient Jerusalem, a curious child named Eli sneezed, startling those around him. His mother, recalling the wisdom of Proverbs, explained, "Just as sneezing clears the nose of dust, so does wisdom clear the mind of confusion." Eli pondered this, realizing that just as sneezing expels irritants, seeking wisdom expels ignorance. The townsfolk, witnessing this simple yet profound lesson, began to see sneezing as a reminder to seek clarity and truth. Eli's sneeze became a symbol of purification, echoing through generations as a call to embrace wisdom and understanding.